Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox not joining games. So if you're not being able to go and join games, the first thing I recommend doing is closing off your browser or the Roblox app and then go and restart it. Once done, go back to Roblox and then what you need to do is try joining the game again. So choose the game and then tap on play and go and see if that works. If that still doesn't work, then use a different browser. The next thing you need to do is to try going to restart your computer. It's definitely worth trying to do. So all you need to do is come to the bottom left where you'll see Windows icon and then go and tap on the power button and you can see the restart your computer option. Then go back to Roblox and see if it works. If that still isn't working, for you, then what I recommend doing is uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. Once you've got it, all we need to do is go and join a game. So go and tap on this game here and tap play. It will then say Roblox is now loading and it will take a moment and we've got it installed. And we can go and tap on download and install Roblox and the launcher will go and download and then we can go and find the installer in our downloads folder in our file explorer. I hope I am able to help you solve your problem. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you again on my next one. Bye!